Are you struggling to use the Helium framework in Apache Zeppelin? You're not alone. Many users face challenges when trying to integrate Helium plugins. Today, we're going to walk through the steps to get you up and running smoothly. I completely understand how frustrating it can be when you can't see the plugins you need. It can feel like you're missing a crucial piece of the puzzle. You're definitely not the only one experiencing this issue. Let's dive into the specific question at hand. One user reached out saying they couldn't view any plugins on the Helium page after placing a sample Helium JSON file in the local repository. They also encountered a null pointer exception when restarting Apache Zeppelin. Sound familiar? Let's explore this together. So what could be going wrong here? The issue might stem from incorrect file placement, version compatibility, or even configuration errors. We'll break down the troubleshooting steps to help you identify the root cause. And stick around. I have a valuable tip at the end that will help you avoid these issues in the future. To begin resolving the user's issue, we need to ensure that the Helium framework is properly configured in Apache Zeppelin. First, the user should check that they have the correct version of Zeppelin installed, which should be at least version 0.7. Next, the user should confirm that the Helium JSON file is correctly placed in the local repository. This file should be located in the Helium registry cache directory under local repo. After verifying the Helium JSON file, the user should restart the Apache Zeppelin service. This can be done by using the appropriate command for their operating system. Once Zeppelin has restarted, the user should navigate to the Helium page again. They can do this by going to localhost 88h/helium to check if the plugins are now visible. If the user still encounters issues, they may want to check the Zeppelin logs for any error messages. This can provide insights into what might be going wrong. Fun fact, Apache Zeppelin is named after the famous airship. Just like the airship, it aims to take your data visualization to new heights. Now, let's look at the answers provided by other users. An alternative approach for using the Helium framework in Apache Zeppelin is provided by a user. For Zeppelin version 0.7, you need to manually install each package since it doesn't support the online registry. First, clone the desired Helium package. Then, modify the artifact value in the Helium JSON file to reflect the absolute path on your local machine. Next, copy the modified JSON file into the Zeppelin Helium directory and restart Zeppelin. Finally, visit the Helium page to install the package. For Zeppelin version 0.8.0 snapshot, it supports the online registry, allowing for easier installation without prior setup. If you encounter a null pointer exception, it can be resolved by pulling the latest changes from the repository and rebuilding Zeppelin. Additionally, Zeppelin now offers proxy functionality for Helium, which can enhance your experience. Here's that valuable tip I promised. Always keep your Helium packages updated and check the documentation regularly. This will save you a lot of headaches down the line. And there you have it. With these steps, you should be able to successfully use the Helium framework in Apache Zeppelin. If you found this video helpful, please subscribe for more troubleshooting tips, and don't forget to check out our other videos for more insights.